Good day to my future employer. I would like to introduce myself to you, ma'am, sir. My name is Eileen Joy Marinay Sobrian. I am 38 years old. I am married with two children. I have one daughter and one son. My daughter is 17 years old and my son is 6 years old. I live in Maramag, Bukidnon, Philippines. I finished my education in Bachelor of Arts major in Sociology at Bukidnon State University. I also finished professional education at Valencia Colleges Incorporated. My experience in taking care of children are to my own kids and to my younger sister. My responsibilities included feeding the child, bathing, changing clothes and diapers, preparing meals, playing with the child, helping their homeworks, teaching them numbers and letters, and keeping the child safe and clean. I love children and I will treat them with care and respect. I can tutor your kids because I have an experience in teaching. I can do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the plates, washing the laundry clothes, and ironing. I am patient, kind, responsible, and hardworking. I can follow rules, manage my time well, and work independently. I am always willing to learn and improve. I am honest, trustworthy, and flexible. I will respect your family culture and household rules. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to work with your family soon. Bye!